नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई जे विन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम जयोति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today's session we are going about discuss the topic market and demand analysis. So let us start the market and demand analysis. A market researcher in Indian has to contend with the following problems: heterogeneity of the country, multiplicity of languages, design of questionnaires. The characteristics of the market based on the information aggregated from secondary source and through the market survey. The market for the product and services may be described in terms of the following: the effective and demand is the past and present. To guys, uh, to guys the effective and demand in the past, and present. The starting point and typically is appropriate and conjunctions, and which is defined as the productions plus imports plus exports minus change in stock level. Breakdown of demand. To get a deeper and insight into the nature of demand, the aggregate and market demand may be broken and down into the demand for different segments of the market. The market segments may be defined by nature of product, consumer groups, geographical divisions, and the price statistics must be gathered, and along with the statistics and pertaining to physical quantities, it may be helpful to discuss the following types of price: manufacturer's price, quota of the free on board, and price of cost, insurance and freight. The price: a landed price for imported goods, and average wholesale price, and the average retail price. Now, next, methods of distributions and self promotion. The methods of distribution may vary with the nature of product. Capital goods, individual raw materials or intermediaries, and the consumers products trends to have and differing distribution channels. The further for a given product and distribution methods may vary. Likewise, and the methods used for sales promotions and advertising, discount and gift schemes, etc., may vary from product to product. The methods of distributions and sales promotions employed and presently and their rationale must be specified, and such a study may explain certain and patterns of the conjunctions and highlight the difficulties that may be encountered in marketing the proposed on the products. Consumers consumers may be characterized and along two determinations as follow: demographic and sociologicals, age, sex, income, professions and residence and social background. Sorry. And second is the attitudinal, the preference and the intentions and habits, attitudes and response. Now next, supply and competitions. It is necessary to know the existing source of supply and whether they are foreign or domestic. For domestic source of supply, informations along the following lines may be gathered: location, present productions and capacity, plant expansions, capacity utilizations, labels and bottlenecks in productions and cost structures. The competitions from substitutions and near substitutes should be specified, and because almost any products may be replaced by some other products as a result of relative change in price, quality, printing on the market and demand of the product under examinations should be quality, ability and promotional efforts and so on. The government policies. The role of government in influencing the demand and market for a product may be significant, and government plans, policies, legislations and facts which have a bearing on the market and demand for the product under examination should be split out. So, market and demand analysis. The examinations of all the cost or problems of a project before work on it is standard. The important facts of project analysis are: the first one is the market and demand analysis, technical analysis, financial analysis, economic analysis, social cost benefit analysis and ecological analysis. Now, the first step in project analysis is to estimate the potential size of the market for the product proposed to be manufactured and or services planned to be offered, and get an idea about the market share and that is the likely to be captured. Now, an in-depth study and assessment of various factors like partners of consumption's growth and incomes and price elasticity of demand, the conjunctions of market and natures of competitions and abilities of substitutes, reach of distribution channels, etc. are included in it. Market and demand analysis should be carried out in an orderly and systematic manner. The key steps in such analysis are as follows: the situational the situational analysis and specifications of objectives, collections of secondary informations, and conduct of market survey. Next, so characterizations of the market, demand forecasting, and market planning. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth. Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in problem solving. Thank you.